In today's Road Rants, we're heading back to driver's ed.
This after an 8 on your side received a complaint about four-way stops. And so Meredith Susilo is here with a refresher course I think we all need to pay attention to, Mer.
Yeah, you know, I was contacted by a viewer named Chris who asked me, why is it people don't understand how to drive at a four-way stop? They do a crisscross pattern instead of following what's in the driver's manual. While the rules of the road are common sense to a lot of us, a simple YouTube search yields scores of dashcam videos from drivers ranting about fellow motorists who don't seem to know or simply ignore the laws. Here's what the Florida driver's manual says. A driver should allow another who entered the intersection first and stopped first to move forward first. If more than one vehicle gets to the intersection at the same time, the driver to the right has the right of way. So the best way to remember that is right of way means the person on your right. Finally, drivers making left-hand turns at a four-way stop should yield or wait for other drivers. So if this information is old news to you, you've passed the lesson. You can forward it along to people who don't seem to get it. You can send me your road rants through WFLA.com or on Facebook at WFLA Meredith.